Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into ascent. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Ascent, which means an upward slope or path that one may walk or climb. Number 1. Inclination, which means the angle at which a straight line or plane is inclined to another. Inclination. For example, an inclination in excess of 90 degrees. Number 2. Incline, which means an inclined surface or plane. Incline. For example, a steep incline. Number 3. Rise, which means an increase in number, size, amount, or degree. Rise. For example, local people are worried by the rise in crime. Number 4. Ramp, which means a sloping surface joining two different levels, as at the entrance or between floors of a building. Ramp. For example, there was a ramp down to a double garage on basement level. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.